Ahee, namukela kambe ka Master Xitsonga analyst. Channel, yeah, of course, I'm the like a gosh, look at that continue, of course, the king will link not the trains, I'm going to show you, of course, even on the previous video, if you come so where you suka man, you suka between Gagash and the trains, if it I'm very, very important to me, one because we build the manjini, Yamashin, Lungo Funzago. So as you expected, I just Gagash it until live. It was given. Also obvious. So boa Africa. And so if I respond to this matter, so in that case, I got that section very well.
Gaza can attack you. Ingandang chunji.
Akut.
Both acts I would have a trend. I could be carrying as a trend. It's so bad. This is one mention.
I just have a trend.
Instead, the one is one of mention of me. Eh, men a cherry, a porisa, I'll put a mention or mention you. Some people want to take a whole by Tibak. Mina wish general. And someone detanama porison, detanama porison.
Sorry, sir.
And detanama porison and the porison of detanama porison for you.
Sorry, sir.
I don't know even a man, even Pelan, no, I don't do. I can am a police officer. Mara and data I'm a police and don't woman.
Sorry, sir.
Oh, no one can mention one mention. Ah, not the nation, she's a cool. But it looked up on Machan Basso. Logo. Reducer, if you like small, they will always create something. But if you like they are like that. So, but the only thing that has to keep you going up to maintain the pride. And I look away, pride away, maintain a pongo. You are making a pong.
As ever, Davana look at Gagana, no one must TV, she will never cost to see Savannah. Look, where can I get Ghana, guys? Listen, film chemistry so far, so cover our go, Rallin and stuff like that. So, show Gagashi won in a night and go, Magalia, you. Gango or a girlfriend, of course. Yeah, Porisa. Usha the gooch very Ashavarash Gango, Malian sad, stuff like that. Yeah, like Amane 18, the twins are raids. Go eyes wakaena. Ego the Oshon, Makale eyes wakaena, hence, Msushi one, of course, at the Tata I address again. Mayona Makaliwa. So Gazika the file arraids I think we beef or we will never know. Want to bother the defend until she prove any beyond reasonable doubt the stuff like that. My own Makadiwa. Non kan this live Gagash to come long Nipia Konaka I helung event organizers now. I mean like the trains that this is a talking about dash of MC very competent going overall Gagash somehow on top. And stuff like that. So quick Gagash to come now quickly expander cover MC yingisela this section.
Loko we bakuthreatena mina na sitoka bakuthreatena mhaka ku maybe wa loko za uluna munhu you are a law enforcement officer una shona xile xa xenyongeni a wu vulavuli swona so I'm telling you
famba la if ingena la in the let's say munhu unika platform no okay there are no problem ke kulesilo la so isizwa kuna swin'wanyani unika platform so famba MC it's an all white party, let's say it's an all white party. Ula muna angazukota mara harigale bafowethu game angasukoti swilo swiya wabo so mara if kuri munhu anga lwisi ngopfu the talent and really we vanhu va ngopfu na talent obviously and really yo yini ngakho so
yes
mara how can you fight something leshi ingataka ingashirijusa awuphila inyamalari
as a head so kona of course are go hinten go kasemba quickly expander not the matter of MC go Gagash kwana ngisho anga kusivuleni vela ningi sesho anga kusivuleni kwana and stuff like that. Okay,
because you want the things that I say maybe it needs creativity at some point. I won't change so who some people kuna vanhu kuma anga accept amko kuri akasivona kusilo swiso they don't accept and in a way ku ulwa na munhu un'wana angana naye as a born forever mara a kha swi vona ku na progress la vuton'wini bya munhu a kha swi vona ku la a na ha ri munhu wa ku no fanele landzelela fight yi se a ya ha ri ya yena u kokoliwa xikwembu. In most cases the people end up van'wani va mi twa ku i lovini loko mi twa ku i lovini i kuma a holova hi mhaka ku maybe wa vabya i twa ku munhu i lova hi ku mbilu ya yena hi yoxe a yi kumangi leswi a swi lava, you understand?
And stuff like that, of course. And then, of course, if I can't answer, I got say, like I said, that Timothy because I responding, say, hey, they beefy is because that respond na actually, later respond na. So, of course, if you wanna Timothy, yeah, Timothy, Africa, and like this video, of course, a bagagash got this video. I insert in Gaza very.
The celeb Gaza. I foot and shake and Gaza. When we came to me like a Gaza, kwa like Facebook and like a TikTok. Why vanhu va n'wina lava mi followaku loko vo tshuka va commenta leswi n'wina mi nga swi laviku mi va block? Why mi teka ti-picture ta vona ta khale to ndlisa swin'wana mi ti-posta la mi va hundzela swihlekiso ku ri ku vanhu lava mi follow?
Before ya ku munhu loyi a ndla swa so ha swi tiva ku i gagashi gagashi ndzi hi ze ku endla na video very a hisa liya a ku ri during that period, of course, loko a ha lulisana na Ben Mayenga and stuff like that. So loko vanhu vo comment, of course, a xi teketa kha xi va postetela ti-picture to hlekiso songweni leyi nga duma ngopfu minkarhi leya ku ri Jeff Mahinyahinya mi nga ma ehleketa ngo yaleyo va nga yi twangi gagashi a yi bohi ngopfu mi nga ma ehleketa ngo yaleyo a ti vuya so hi gagashi nga dumi swona. Even recently a poste na xihlangi xin'wana mara hi to swi yini mara hi to swi yini na xihlangi xin'wana of course a kha xi postini lano as you can see kwalano a kha ku xi na nhloko ya mukwana and stuff like that. Gagashi and so okay. So video leya the twins yi ba Gagashi vhele va hi kota ku swi confirm because yena in most cases mu a posta vanhu ku ri ti-picture ta khale, like in most cases yeah a kha chinga and stuff like that. Okay,
mi va hundzela swihlekiso ku ri ku vanhu lava mi follow a ni mi temi la ti-followers a ni mi temi mi la ku follow va mi follow n'wina ku hi ku mi dumile mi ta kuma ti-follow to tala na ti-likes to tala. Se why mi endla xihlekiso hi vana van'wani? Why? A swi kahle fana na the twins ina va hi hlekula everyday va hi rhuketela everyday ka ti-posta hina. A ni tshama mina ni teka picture n'wana munhu ni yi posta ni n'wi vonela ku biha hayi a hi mahanyelo sweswo a hi swi tiva ku futhi mi dume kwini mi dume a swi tiva ku mi dume kwini a hi mahanyelo sweswo. Loko munhu a khomenta ka wena ina pfumela nakona munhu loko a khomenta i fanele nga ze hlaya ti-comment ina a ni yi dumile wena loko ze hlaya ti-comment swi kuma a wu dumangi loko ze hlaya ti-comment a wu dumangi. So mi nga ze mi teka ti-picture ta vana va vana mi ndla swihlekisi va right va fanele va khomenta ka n'wina a ni mi tiva va fanele va mi follow. Hanyani kahle vafo hanyani kahle vasesi hala ka TikTok hi n'wina mi le ku block ka vana va vanhu mi ndla leswi hala ka Facebook mi le ku va rhuketeleni everyday loko va comment va fanele va commenta kwini a ni mi ri mi domile n'wina ni mana va na mahanyelo va na mahanyelo ze mi nyamalarisa la
mhaka wo nyamarisa yi continue yi ya mahlweni la kahle se a dosile mhaka ya na Timothy ku vheta hi swi twisa ku na post leyi or I mean like the video ya ka mani. So hi leswi a ta ha ri ku vuyeni guys, ta ha ri ku vuyeli ya beef ya hisa swinene. So hi to kombela hi hela kwala ka ti-Facebook a hi heli kona hi ku swi kombi na ku se ku le ku hiseni manjeni ku le ku hiseni a hi hele kwala ka Facebook leswi nyamalarisana leswi swi va swi nga basangi a hi heli kwala ka Facebook swi ta va swi ri kahle loko tigegana mani competition loko yi va kona a ku endliwi ti-event a ku ndlu mintirhetirho yaliya ku yi va yi endlaku ya MC and stuff like that a ku ndlu ma-business ma vona mhaka leyi leswi loko ku ri amukeli tshama swi subscribe ta kombela mi tika subscribe.